Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Adventure Tech HD. We hope you watched and liked the previous video. We thank everyone who has supported us by watching our video and subscribing to our channel. Those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and show your love towards us. So today we are going to start a new playlist called Productive Apps. In this playlist, the first one to appear is an app called Notion. So let's get started. There are a lot of productivity apps on the market, but Notion is the best one of them all. It's an all-in-one productivity solution for note-taking, knowledge and data management, project and task management. And it's simply one of the best tools we've ever used. Notion is incredibly flexible. We use Notion quite a bit, both personally and professionally. In a sense, it's just an app for keeping documents in one place. It's quick and easy. Its desktop and mobile mode syncs perfectly. You can download the mobile version in the Play Store and the desktop version on a website. We will give the link to both in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have got good information about Notion and its features. So that's it for today. Let us meet again in the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.